Since first coming into service in 1980, the M1 Abrams tank has been a staple of the United States Ground Forces. This 67-ton behemoth has become a powerful tool and has successfully transitioned from a Cold War-era blunt instrument to a modern, tactical weapon. Here are some interesting facts about the M1 Abrams which can also illustrate that this tank is still to be feared by anyone. The Abrams entered service in 1980, but did not see heavy fighting until the Americans launched Desert Storm in 1991. The Abrams was the first tank to combine British-built Chobham composite armor and highly dense ceramic. Although steel was designed, the British Abrams tanks were made in Ohio and Michigan. The Abrams is highly mobile, with a top speed of over 40 miles per hour and an impressive zero-turn radius. Also, under special conditions like desert, muddy, or snow, Abrams can move really fast. The M1 Abrams carries a 120mm smoothbore gun capable of firing a wide range of rounds. In addition to the main gun, the Abrams carried the 50 caliber M2H Browning machine gun that has been very popular in the US military since World War II. In some cases, weapons can be fired from a distance. The US as well as Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Australia use the Abrams as their main battle tanks. When the Abrams finally saw combat in 1991, it was a huge success and appeared to be immune to Iraqi tank fire. None of the Abrams were destroyed by Iraqi tank fire during the Persian Gulf War. In fact, the only Abrams lost during the Persian Gulf War was self-destructed by American tanks to keep the tank from being captured by Iraqi forces. The Abrams had advantages in range and night vision over the Soviets. During the 2003 invasion of Iraq, the Abrams were involved in urban warfare, which was the worst situation for tanks, as their range was limited by buildings and they could be attacked from above, where their armor was most vulnerable. In his book Heavy Metal, A Tank Company's Battle to Baghdad, Major Jason Conroy reports a major victory for an Abrams unit that destroyed 7 Soviet-made T-72 tanks in close combat with no US losses. Today, the Abrams remains the main battle tank of the US and is one of the most successful tanks of all time as well as the king of the battlefield.